say yes! This is Stay on Skill. We are a community of talented, skilled artists, travelers around the world where we come together and create magical experiences and some parties that you can never forget. And we're going to create this experience across different travelers across India. Yes, this is SOS party happening at the Ocean Palms. Can I have a round of applause for Ocean Palms for bringing such an amazing experience for all of us?
So put your hands in mine tonight, and I will